Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here, getting over like a flu, which is not fun, but I really wanted to see what was inside this box, so I'm recording this. So here we go. January Paletteful Packs Petite box. Bam! Alright, woo! Okay, so it looks like a bunch of pens. I have one of these. I actually think I have the blue one that I got in maybe in Art Snacks. I don't know. So this is blue, and this looks like silver. And this is black. And I don't know what these are. But this is black, looks like. And then Stonehenge white paper. And looks like that's it. So, oops, just hit my camera. So, sorry if my face wasn't even in the camera. I haven't even been paying attention to that. Oops. So Penuary challenge, it says, for the January Petite pack, because it's pens, haha. So Stonehenge white paper pad, 5x7. Stonehenge is a 100% cotton rag, acid-free, heavyweight paper that is machine-made in the USA. This versatile fine art paper offers a smooth, even surface with a slight tooth that resembles vellum. Ideal for a variety of media, including pen and ink, drawing, watercolor, printmaking, pencil, pastel, or silkscreen. It is a $12.97 value. It feels pretty cool. It looks like pretty nice paper. I do like Legion paper, so this is pretty cool. Pentel Micro Brush Sign Pens. Black, blue, and gray. So that is these. And this says, like your favorite paintbrush, these microfibers have excellent spring and snap. The microbrush tip is ideal for drawing, detailing, lettering, and journaling. They are excellent on their own, but the water-based dye ink also allows you to create washes with a wet brush. And all three of these together are worth $14.97. You know, I never used water with them, but they do have a really long tip there. So, I guess I'll have to see what happens using water with them. Regular brush sign pen. Okay, so that's what this must be. Black. The brush tip is great for a variety of techniques, including feathering, cross-hatching, calligraphy, detailed line work, and outlining. Brush tip wipes clean with a paper towel and will not dry out if left uncapped. That's nice. It's worth $3, $2.99. Well, it looks like a neat brush tip there. Okay. And then Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen, which I feel like I have this, maybe. Yeah, I think I have this pen already, but that's okay. In many countries, ink drawings have a very long history among artists. Their expressive power, covering properties resistant to aging, as well as the possibility of combining them with many other painting techniques, have always made this medium interesting for artists and graphic designers. Faber-Castell has brought together all the advantages of drawing in India ink in a modern and uncomplicated disposable pen, the Pitt Artist Pen. This pen's pigmented India ink is both acid-free and archival, and offers unsurpassed light fastness. Perfect for sketches, journals, cartooning, and fine ink drawing. Worth $3.60. And apparently is this a thing? Is Penuary actually a thing? I didn't know that. Apparently make a pen drawing every day, and they have a word for every single day. So I'm definitely not going to be doing that. Plus I opened this kind of late since I was on a trip, and then I've been sick, so it's already like a week of January has gone by. But I don't know how I feel about an all pen box. At least they include it like blue and gray, which are different colors than just black. But I do really like this paper, so that's pretty good paper. So we'll see. I kind of want to see how Copics work on this paper. Like, I don't know. And yeah, so that is this box, and hopefully I will be back to actually doing the Paletteful Packs prompts, or, you know, at least one thing. Hopefully I'll get back into swing of things for YouTube soon, but we'll see. So, see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed that unboxing.